Hi, it's Kozue. Today I'm finally tackling something I've been meaning to do forever. 3 months ago, I went on a factory tour at Kamoi Kakoshi, the company that makes durable MT washi tapes. I bought these nail stickers on the factory tour. I've been asking MT to make nail stickers in every survey, so I'm so happy they finally did. They were experimental with a survey, but the deadline was over a month past. Each set was 110 yen. I chose only French tips, though they had full nail ones too. Those looked wrinkle-prone, so I passed. These are meant to be sealed with gel. I might have a gel allergy, so I usually stick to polish. So today it might be reckless, but I'm trying these with polish anyway. After washing my hands, I wipe off the moisture and oils with disinfectant ethanol. This step helps the polish last longer. I'm applying the base coat. Today I'm using Oli Bonder. And this is how I keep my finger rest and clip, if you can even call it storage. At the factory tour, I saw many MT fans who don't usually do nails but wanted the stickers. Gel can feel intimidating for beginners, but the basics of applying stickers are the same as polish. If you use gel, you need base gel, color gel, top gel, and an LED lamp. And remember, gel can cause allergies, so please look up how to use it safely before enjoying it. I let it dry for 7 minutes. Now I'm using Paradu Nail Foundation PK04 Nude Pink, which I'm pretty sure is discontinued. I'm painting the pinky and ring finger and the others. Once all the nails are painted, I let them dry for 10 minutes. Second coat going on. Since it's getting humid lately, bubbles can appear after the polish dries. Some people advise me to crank up the dehumidifier and fill the polish with thinner. Super helpful, thank you. After the second coat, I let everything dry completely. They say it's fully dry when that polish smell disappears. In this case, I basically waited 24 hours. Well, not on purpose. I was just too busy to do my nails. Okay, time to finally put the nail stickers on. There are exactly 10. I kind of wish there were a few extra in case of mistakes or sizing issues. Oh, these are smoother than regular washi tape. Definitely sturdier since they are made for nails. And the size fits my nails perfectly. I wipe the nails with ethanol to help the sticker adhere better. But if I rub too much, the polish starts to melt, so I'm being gentle. Now I'm just finding it dry with my hand. There's a little mark on the back to show the center. I guess it's so you can check the alignment from the underside of your nail. When I use stickers like this, I usually rely on a stamper. Sticking the sticker onto the stamper first and looking straight down makes it so much easier to place it exactly where I want. And despite all that, I still place it a bit to the right. There's plenty of space on the left, but the right side is sticking out. Let's see if it peels off cleanly. Oh, it came off with 0 damage. I love this sticker already. Trying again with the stamper. It looks stunted on camera, but I am checking from directly above. Still a little to the right, but you know what, it's fine, I'm going with this. I use a silicone pen from Daiso to press the sticker down firmly. Once it's fully adhered, I fold the excess over the tip. Then I use a nail file to remove the extra, always filing in one direction from top to bottom to avoid lifting the sticker. When removing the trimmed off piece, I also pull it downward. That helps prevent lifting. Wait, is that the wrinkle? Okay, I just smooth it out with sheer force. And then I noticed a tiny bit of the sticker was still there. But oh my gosh, it's so cute, and it stuck perfectly. I'm ridiculously happy right now. Time for top coat. I'm using OPI Jailbreak 3. It's discontinued though. The Paradu top coat from 7-Eleven is great too. Before using the sticker, I thought it was made of washi, so I worried the polish might change the color, but it was totally fine. Make sure to cover the very tip of the nail. That's where stickers tend to lift. I'm sticking the rest of the stickers on. For the other nails, I tried applying them without the stamper. And wow, the width matches my nails perfectly. With the sticker folded over the tip, I moved on to the next nail, just sticking them on one after another. From here, it's strictly top to bottom, never upwards. I did a bit of tiny side-to-side filing too. These stickers have way stronger adhesion than regular washi tape, so even with sideways filing, they don't lift at all. Incredible. This thing just would not come off. Fight a little bit more and oh, it came off. Same process for the rest, so I'll skip ahead. Here's the thickness of the sticker, just about like this. With gel, you can build up the surface, so this level of unevenness is no problem. With polish, a little ridge remains, but with this design, it didn't bother me at all. You can feel the ridge when you touch it, but visually, no, not at all. Visually, it's just cute. This is right after applying the top coat, and this is a few hours later. Around the smile line, maybe there's a tiny ridge if you really look for it. From the side, it looks like this. It's already glossy as it is, but I'm adding one more layer of top coat. I always do 2 coats because I want extra length and a bit more thickness. Covering the tip is important, but covering the sides is just as important. See how it's super glossy right after applying? The plump glossy look always shrinks a bit as it dries. That's the sad part about polish. But gel shrinks a little too. Am I just making excuses? Maybe. Skipping ahead again. Here's a second layer of top coat right after applying it. And this is after it's fully dry. Oh, it's so cute. And I'll admit it now, I was sure the empty nail stickers wouldn't work. I doubted adhesion, and I thought polish wouldn't hide the ridge and it would scream, "I'm a sticker!" Kamui Kakoshi-san, I'm so sorry. These stickers are amazing. My dominant hand nails weren't even that hard, and look how clean they turned out. Someone from Kamoi Kakoshi told me these stickers were experimental, but please make them an official product. If a set had 12 or even 14 pieces, I would be over the moon. And if the price doesn't go up too much, I'd be even happier. I know I'm being demanding. I should have bought more. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!